I walked my dog in the park. I baked cookies yesterday. I studied for the exam. I called Amelia last night. I rode my bicycle. I took notes during the lecture. I swam in the pool. I painted the fence white. I walked to the store. I hung the picture on the wall. I cooked a delicious meal yesterday. I drove to work by car. I flew to New York. I ate sushi for dinner. I felt happy about the good news. I had a meeting early this morning. I went to the beach yesterday. I ate pizza for lunch. I fell off the bike. I slept for 8 hours last night. I drank a cup of tea. I sang karaoke last night. I sat in the cafe for hours. I watched a movie last night. I wrote a letter to my grandmother. I worked on the project all day. I won the game. I climbed the mountain last weekend. I earned the bonus at work. I floated on the river in a boat. I hugged my friend. I knitted a scarf for winter. I cleaned my room. I played soccer with my friends. The plane took off on time. I came across an old friend at the bank. I filled out the application form. I hang out with my friends. I turned on the light. I looked up the word in the dictionary. I got off the bus at the last stop. I woke up late on Sunday. I worked out at the gym for an hour. We ran out of milk this morning. I waiting in the rain for the bus. I threw the ball. I caught the ball. I opened the window to get some fresh air. I made a cake for my mom's birthday. I met some new friends at the event. I stood in the line for the movie ticket. I built a sandcastle.